Gentili makes an awesome ladder rack. They're designed, engineered, and made in Italy. And if anybody can make a ladder rack cool, it's the Italians. It can be mounted to any vehicle, a truck topper, of course a van, even service bodies and other vehicles like fire department trucks. It comes with its own specialized bracket kits for things like vans, but also universal bracket kits for other applications, again, like a pickup topper or a specialty vehicle. The unit is made of anodized aluminum. All of the fittings are stainless steel. There's specialized struts that allow it to carefully drop down very easily and carefully to the ground and then lift up with only about 20 pounds of lifting pressure. The nice thing with this design is it's ergonomically correct. So when you walk up to the ladder, you're not twisting or going over your head to bring down the ladder. It comes pre-assembled, so the installation time is very small.